Hello students and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna tell you that what will you do if you couldn't clear NEET. See, everyone has a aim in his or her life, and to achieve that aim we should work hard and stick to it. But it's good as well to have a backup plan in your mind. As a medical aspirant, everyone wants to clear NEET and become a doctor. But in case if you couldn't, then no need to worry at all, as there are ample opportunities for you in medical field. So I'm highlighting some high salary career options in medical other than MBBS or BDS. So the first option is BTech in biomedical. It is an emerging and demanding field nowadays, in which you will study human biology, cell biology, food microbiology, biological chemistry, and the duration of this course is around 4 years. And the fees also varies according to the state, starting from 50,000 to 4.5 lakh per annum. And after completing this course, you can work as a biomedical technician, biomedical engineer, or a biochemist. And depending upon your placement, the salaries start from 2 lakh per annum to 10 lakh per annum. Now, the next course is BSc in Microbiology. It is again a very good course for students who are interested in exploring various microorganisms and their pathogenic potential. The duration of this course is 3 years and fees also varies from 50,000 to 2 lakh per annum. After doing this degree, you can work in various sectors like medicine, pharmacy, agriculture, food industry in India as well as abroad. And you can work as a bacteriologist, virologist, and a biochemist, and the salary varies from 5 lakh per annum to 10 lakh per annum. Now, the next course is BSc in Cardiovascular Technology. It is basically a 3-year undergraduation course, and after completing this course, you can work as a cardiovascular technologist, cardiologist, or a medical sonographer. These technologists assist the physicians in the diagnosis and treatment of the cardiac diseases. The fees for this course varies according to the state, starting from 1 lakh per annum to 4 lakh per annum. And the salaries is also quite good, starting from 9 lakh per annum to 12 lakh per annum. Now, the next option is Bachelor of Arts Psychology. A Bachelor of Arts Psychology can be a great choice if you are interested in going straight to work after graduation, or if you are thinking of pursuing a graduate program in something like law or counseling. The duration for this course is 3 years and fees also varies from 20,000 to 4 lakh per annum. After completing this degree, you can work as a proofreader writer, researcher, or a screenwriter. The salary also starts from 9 lakh per annum to 11 lakh per annum. Now the next option you have is Bachelor of Science in Nutrition. Is again a very good course of 3-year duration. The fees also varies from 20,000 to 2.5 lakh per annum, and the salaries also start from 5 lakh per annum to 15 lakh per annum. After completing this course, you can work as a dietitian in hospital and nutritionist in health clinic, health center, and MNCs, or you can open your own clinic. Now, the sixth option is Bachelor of Science in Genetics. In this course, you will study various subjects related to heredity, evolution, and variation in living beings. You will be offered depth knowledge about how genetic traits are passed down from one generation to another. The duration for this course is 3 years, and after completing this course, you can work as a biotechnician or genetic counselor. And the salary start from 4 lakh per annum to 8 lakh per annum. Now, the next option you will have is Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. It is a bachelor degree program in the field of medicine. In this course, you will study practices of prevention and cure along with rehabilitation of various occupational disease. The duration for this course is 4 years, and the course fees vary from 15,000 to 80,000 according to the state. After completing this course, you can work as an occupational therapist, occupational therapy nurse, counselor, and the salary also start from 3 lakh per annum to 6 lakh per annum. Now, the next and the most common course for medical students except MBBS or BDS is B Pharmacy. The duration of this course is 4 years, in which you will study the method and processes of preparing drugs and how dispensing of medicine and drugs take place. The fees for this course varies from 1 lakh to 4 lakh per annum, and after completing this degree you can work as a drug safety associate, clinical research associate, or a drug inspector occupational therapy nurse. The salary you will receive also start from 4 lakh per annum to 6 lakh per annum. Now, the next option is BSc Nursing. It is again a 4-year UG program for all the students who have cleared class 12th from science stream. In this course, you will get training to take up decision on your own in different nursing situation within the scope of your field. If you plan to go abroad, then this is the best course for you. The course fees also varies from 20,000 to 2,50,000 per annum. After completing this course, you can work as a staff nurse, nursing service administrator, assistant nursing superintendent, and industrial nurse. The salary also start from 30,000 per annum to 4 lakh per annum. Now, the next option you will have is BSc Agriculture. Again, a very emerging and demanding course. The duration of this course is 3 years. The fees for this course varies from 2 lakh to 3 lakh per annum, and after completing this course you can work as an agriculturist, agriculture technician, agriculture development officer and agriculture research scientist, and the salaries also start from 4 lakh per annum to 8 lakh per annum. So students, after watching this video thoroughly, you will realize that you have plenty of choice except MBBS or BDS. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel for more such videos.